call it D.I.Y versus P.R.O.
Do it yourself versus
Professional Real Estate Operator.
Got you. Okay.
Okay, so I want to break down the numbers and show people what the difference is, because I can talk about it all day, but if I show you the numbers, you're probably going to listen. So the first thing with any unit in Rhode Island that you're going to deal with at one point within 12 months is leasing. Okay, you're going to have to find a new tenant at some point. So say you have a rental, it's going to take the D.I.Y landlord 50 hours from start to finish for that leasing process.
I believe it.
So I'm not talking about maintenance, Emilio. I'm not talking about painting and cleaning. I'm talking about photos, video, posting online, showings, screenings, applications, background checks, lease generation, deposits, keys. That whole process is taking 50 hours. So 50 hours times $25 an hour, what you're worth, equals a $1,250 bill.
It's a lot of money
to yourself. So a professional manager like Nexus will do leasing overall in 5 hours total. Now, some properties, as you've seen, take more than that. Some take less than that.
Sure.
But 5 hours is what it's normal. Okay? We charge $450 for this $900 apartment that you're trying to rent.
So half
month's rent.
Yep.
Okay?
That's actually really reasonable.
So compared to D.I.Y landlord Larry versus us or any management company, you're saving $800 and you're getting your time back. Next thing is the management, the day-to-day operations of that apartment. Okay, same thing. On average, 50 hours per year you're going to spend collecting rent. Okay, fielding calls, performing inspections. You're going to the property every month. Okay, you're collecting the coins in the laundry machine. You're dealing with statements, accounting, reporting for yourself at the end of the year. You're categorizing all your expenses, all your income. So take that 8% for the same $900 apartment we're talking about. For Nexus to manage that, or any manager, 8% is $72 a month times 12 months, about $850.
Yep.
You were spending $1,250 to manage it yourself. So I'm telling you now on the radio, on the video, that we can do it for almost half the price, the leasing and the management, and you get your time back. And I'm not even getting into maintenance, evictions,
the calls,
insurance disasters,
yeah,
lawsuits. Okay, I'm not talking about insurance violations, city violations. I'm not getting into any of these things, which, once again, get your calculator out because there's $25 an hour.
Yeah.
And Nexus is going to take care of a lot of these things at no cost. It's management duties. So it's a no-brainer.